The system went down in the middle of the presentation, but the team carried on and closed the deal. He failed his driving test twice. He carried on, passed on the third try, and never looked back. Hey guys, today let's master the phrasal verb carry on. Carry on means to continue doing something, especially when things get difficult or unexpected. In a professional context, it is the mark of resilience. When a project hits a setback, when a client changes the brief at the last minute, when the plan falls apart, the professionals who carry on are the ones who build careers. It signals composure, commitment, and reliability. Your manager doesn't just notice when you deliver, they notice that you keep going when others stop. In everyday life, carrying on is about persistence. It is what you do after a tough week, a personal setback, or a moment of self doubt. You carry on not because things are easy, but because moving forward is always better than standing still. Now that you understand the core meaning of carry on, subscribe if you want to master more phrasal verbs that English speakers actually use every day. And if this example helped you, let me know by hitting the like button. Also, turn on notifications because new videos are posted on our channel every Wednesday. Let's see carry on in action. Example 1. Despite the last minute changes, the launch team carried on and delivered the product on time. Example 2. The manager encouraged everyone to carry on with the project while she handled the client's concerns. Example 3. He carried on studying after work every day for 6 months and landed his dream job. Example 4. We hit heavy traffic on the road trip, but we carried on and made it just in time for sunset.
Subscribe.
Now it is your turn. Go to the comments and post your own example using carry on. Commenting is a powerful way to show engagement with our community, but more importantly, it helps you put your new vocabulary into practice immediately. So, don't skip this part. If you can relate, leave a like to let me know. Keep learning and see you in the next video.